Hello singles, thank you for visiting my website. I'm Keisha Strickland of Divine Intervention Matchmaking. I'm here to talk with you today about marketing yourself to find the person that you deserve. The first thing that we're going to talk about is working on your product, and that would be you. If you work in marketing or any type of business, you know that the first thing that you need to develop is your product, because that is what you're going to be getting out to the customers. That is what you're selling. Basically, all of your eggs are in your products basket. And for us as single women, we are the product. And that means we should be working on the best us that we possibly can achieve. Now, for some, that would be getting more education. For others, it might be working on their appearance. Some of us need to get into that gym and work on our physical bodies. And maybe for some, even working on your spiritual growth would be something that you need to do. So there's a matchmaker called Rachel Greenwald who suggests you even have a budget for working on your product, which is you. There are some things that you need to pay for. May it be your hair appointments, going to the salon, facials, nails, pedicures, and wardrobe. If you're planning to go out and meet people, you might need to go get a little black dress. So you should be setting aside a certain amount of money per month as your dating budget and use it. There's all kinds of ways that you can improve yourself, and this is just one. If you would like more tips, you can contact me at kmstrickland2001@yahoo.com and continue to visit my website because I'll be uploading new tips on a regular basis. In the meantime, happy dating and see you soon.